Hey guys, it's Anaya Jade and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my mixed media journals, journal covers. Oh, I can't talk today. So these are just some cereal boxes that I have cut down to size, and Lucky Charms is the lucky winner for my very first cover on this video. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so I hope it comes out okay, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it. So there are some puzzle pieces, some random embellishments that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm just going to take my tacky glue and glue the pieces on the cover directly. So yeah, I took a break from making journals and just recently got inspired and started making some more, and these journals when I finish are probably going to go up on my Etsy shop maybe the first week in December for Christmas. I'm not sure yet. I'm just taking my time with these, so yeah, just going with the flow and enjoying it. So now I'm just placing some metal corners on the sides. Those I purchased from Amazon. And let's see, what do I do next? Yeah, just sticking some more puzzle pieces on. Now I'm going into my jar of wooden letters and just randomly picking out some letters, and I decided to pick K. Just going to glue that on the bottom left corner. And now some buttons. I have two huge jars of buttons that I purchased from Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, Facebook. Excuse me. Sticking those on, picking different sizes and textures, and those are just some little rings that I got from either Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and those are the same things. I'm just going to place those on the cover as well for more texture. And these are my favorite. Those are ornament hooks, and I got a pack of silver and gold ones, and those came from Hobby Lobby. To organize and put them on the cover where I would like for them to be glued down, and now I'm just going to secure the cover and begin. So now I'm just gluing down the buttons, and I'm just going to continue and yeah, just keep gluing down the pieces. Got the gear cog. Yeah, I think I'm going to get a gold one since it's already going to be covered up in paint. And I'll just glue that down. And as you can see, I'm not using gesso or any type of primer. You could if you wanted to. I just didn't do it for this cover or the first two that I did, but you can totally use gesso if you want to. Now I'm just getting some acrylic black paint and some gauze for some more texture, and then I'm just going to start covering the cover and the embellishments with the black paint. The first two journals that I did cover the box with coffee stain paper. You don't really have to do that. As you can tell, just leaving the cover blank still works as well. So yeah, I'm just taking the paint and dabbing it all over the cover and making sure I got all the embellishments covered. I will go back and let this dry completely and then come back and do a second coat. So yeah, this is my very first voiceover video. Hope you guys like it. If you guys do and would like to see me do more videos like this, please let me know by leaving it in the description below, and I will do more videos with the voiceover. This is a long process here, just dabbing, and now I'm putting the woven medical gauze sponge pieces. I cut off a square and then I'm just dabbing it into the paint. You could glue this down before you put the paint on there, but I just think it doesn't really matter. It's just easier just to put it on there and just paint over it like I'm doing here. I love the effect that it gives when it's on the embellishments and covered in paint. It's really cool. So yeah, now I'm just going to go and paint the spine. You really don't really have to do a thick coat on the spine if you're going to cover it up once you thread in your signatures. So I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but you can still see some of the words on the spine, which is absolutely fine because I'm probably going to go back over it once I sew in the signatures and cover the thread with some more gauze and maybe some lace. I'm not sure yet. Now I'm drying it. Then I'm going to go back over it with another coat of black paint. And I decided to use some more gauze. I'm pretty sure you can also use cheesecloth as well. But I just used whatever I had laying around the house. And I'm going to cut that in half. And I think I'm going to put that on the bottom. I'm going to take those leftovers and glue them down on the spine as well, or the back. Yeah, it's halfway on the front and halfway on the spine. Now I'm just painting the back of it to cover up the green that's showing, peeking through. I think I'm going to add some gauze on the back as well. Alright, so it's dry, and now I'm just going around the edges, covering up the white and the cardboard. Still see the words behind the black paint, but that'll disappear after I finish the cover. Yep. So that's done. It's completely dried. I took a break and so it can dry completely. Now what I'm doing is I'm mixing some, I think it's called, I'm not sure, I'll show it in a minute. I didn't know I had it upside down, sorry. I hope you guys can see that, but it's Pearl X, I think that's what it was called, and then I just take a little bit of that, so pretty, I think that's called Aztec Gold, and I'm going to put it into my little top here and mix a little bit of it with alcohol, and it makes kind of like a creamy, really pretty creamy texture. Just a little bit. Just going to dab it into the alcohol. And it's a little bit liquid, so I have to add some more powder, and a lot of it came out at one time, and yeah, that was a lot that came out, but it's okay. because once it dries, you can just add a little bit more alcohol and it'll go right back to the same consistency. Just mixing that up. I probably could have used a lot more alcohol in the second one, but it worked out fine. And now I'm just taking it on my fingers and rubbing it onto the cover. And as you can see, the different pieces that I put on there is really grabbing that color. It's so pretty. Just coloring it in, smoothing it around, leaving a little bit of black still in there, give it a little rustic look to it. And I'm doing the back cover. Leftovers I will be using for a second cover, which the background is going to be brown. Yeah, that one's going to be brown, and I will do a video of that one as well. And that's what it looks like so far. I'm just going to ink the sides one more time with some black ink. Make sure I didn't miss any brown or white edges that may have peeked through. Now I'm looking for little, I guess you call them like little paper prongs. I'm just going to use those. I'm looking for a chain. The chain that I had, I didn't realize how small the rings were, so I had to wrap them around the little prong and then glue them. But it still came out. It still worked out good. So use what you got. And yeah, the glue came out with a little bubble on there. That's my daughter's hand right there. She thought that was really cool. I'm just gluing it on. And I'm going to use a small hole puncher to puncture the hole in there. And I'm just gluing and wrapping the chain around the little prong, and then just stick that in there and secure it in the back. Going to do that again for the bottom. Like I said, this is just stuff that I've had around the house. I'm probably going to purchase a thicker, and yeah, that's just an owl that I used to make the second hole, since my hole puncher was not going to fit that far up. But yeah, I think I'm going to purchase some more chain that's a little wider from Amazon. So I really like the way this turned out. Just make sure it's glued down and secure. And hopefully the tacky glue will secure the chain and it won't slide off once it's dried. Yep, and just checking everything, make sure everything's working. And yeah, that is what the cover looks like. And it came out really good. I love this effect. And I hope you all enjoyed it.